My name is Ozzy, and today we're going to show you how to use our all-fill filler machine.
This is the VF100E, stands for Vibratory filler. So the first thing we need to do is get the machine out of E-stop, give it control power. For this one, all we do is turn the E-stop. Now the system's ready. Let's check which recipe we're in. If we hit select, you'll see we're in recipe number 1. We can switch to recipe number 2 with the arrows, or you can click on the number and enter the recipe that you're trying to go to. Here we are in recipe number 1. Recipe 1 is set up for an 8-ounce fill of whole bean coffee. We're already in run mode. I did that by hitting start. It has its first weigh bucket filled. It's ready to dump. I hit the foot switch. Now it begins the second cycle. You'll see the weights increasing here. As it gets closer to 8 ounces, it's going to slow down and do the dribble cycle. When it reaches 8, it will tell me it's ready to dump, and I can hit the foot switch again. And that's one complete cycle. Now we're going to switch from recipe number 1, which was the 8-ounce fill, to recipe number 2, which is the 16-ounce fill. First I got to hit stop, select, go to recipe 2, back to main, and you'll see here we're set up for the 16-ounce fill. I'm going to hit start. Ready to dump, and let's start our first cycle. We'll see the weights go from 0, start climbing up to 16. We met 16 and it's ready to dump. There's one cycle. The dribble is complete, and that's 2 cycles. As I mentioned before with the auger filler, the main setup parameter that we're going to want to change is the amount of revolutions of the auger. Since the VF100E fills by weight, the main setup parameter we need to change is the target weight. So let's say we want to change from 16 ounces to 32. I'm going to go 32, hit enter. Now it's set up to hit a target weight of 32 ounces. We can also change some setup parameters in the vibration of the pan. So we were doing 65% bulk for that 16-ounce fill. Now that it's a larger fill and our tolerance might be a little larger as well, let's make the bulk 70%.